In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Ads location. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google Ads website. Once the page loads, then it says, sign in to your Google Ads account. If you manage more than one account, make sure you select the correct one before moving forward, since location targeting changes need to be made in the exact account and campaign you want to update. After that, give the Google Ads dashboard a moment to fully load. This is important because some settings may not appear right away if the page is still loading in the background. Once everything is ready, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click Campaigns. Now choose the specific campaign you want to edit. Be careful here and double-check that you're opening the right campaign, especially if you run several campaigns with similar names. When you're inside the campaign, click the Settings option, usually shown with a gear icon. This will open the main configuration area for that campaign. In the Campaign Settings menu, click Locations. Here, you'll be able to see the current targeting locations that are already applied to the campaign. This is a good moment to review what's currently active so you understand exactly what will be changed. Next, click Enter another location or Edit locations, depending on the version of the interface you see. In the search bar, type the new location you want to target. As you type, Google Ads will usually show location suggestions. Choose the correct location from that list, making sure it matches the area you actually want to reach. This is especially helpful when place names are similar or when you want to target a specific city, region, or country. If needed, you can add more locations the same way. Just continue entering each area and selecting the right match from the suggestions. You should also remove any locations you no longer want to target so your campaign stays focused on the right audience and your budget is spent in the intended areas. Once your location settings look correct, click Save to apply the changes. Then wait a moment for the update to process in your campaign. After that, return to the campaign view and confirm that the updated location targeting appears correctly. Taking this final moment to verify everything can help prevent mistakes and ensure your ads are shown in the right places. Thanks for watching.